Good morning everybody, Bridget here. Welcome to my channel once again. Today another very easy recipe. I'm going to teach you how to make a egg pulav. It's a very easy recipe with very simple ingredients, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it as much as I did making it. So just keep watching and I'll take you through the ingredients. So first of all, you'd need 4 eggs that are boiled and shelled. Then 2 onions, medium size, sliced, and 2 green chilies, slit. Then just half a teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of mild chili powder. Then I have 3 small pieces of cinnamon, like 4 cloves and 3 cardamoms. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 2 tomatoes that I have pureed, or you could just chop the tomatoes. In this I have 1 tablespoon of ghee and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil that I've melted and kept ready, and 1 cup of Basmati rice that we're going to wash and drain. So these are the simple ingredients. So first of all, I'm going to add the oil and the ghee into the pan. Okay, to this I'm adding all these whole spices. Okay, so just fry the spices a little, and then I'm going to add in our eggs and just fry them lightly. Just so that the outer covering becomes a little firm. Just very lightly. Now I'm just going to remove them. Maybe like around 2-3 minutes you could fry them, and then just remove. Now in the same oil, I'm going to add the sliced onions, and we'll fry for just a little while. So now that the onions have fried well, we can add in our ginger garlic paste. Now we are going to add in our chili powder and turmeric. You can see the oil separating from the mixture. So now we'll add in our tomato puree. Now you add in your chopped coriander and your chopped mint. fry for a little while. I'm going to add in like around 1 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Now you add in your rice. That you washed and drained. So mix well. Now I'm going to add in 1.5 measure of water. For the same 1 cup of rice, 1.5 cups of water. Okay, mix it well, raise the heat, don't cover till the rice starts coming to the top. So now we are just going to let it cook till the rice comes to the top. You can see it started to bubble. So you can see that the rice is coming up. It's already like half cooked. Okay, we won't disturb it till it comes up well. You can see that the rice is absorbing all the water. We'll have to wait for some 2 minutes more. So now I'm going to lower the heat, put it on sim. Almost all the water is absorbed. We'll have to cook it on low heat now, and I'm going to add in our eggs. Now we are going to cover and just simmer for a little while. You can see that the rice is cooking well, the water is almost absorbed. We'll just cover it and let it simmer. You can see the rice is done. Most of the water is absorbed. Okay, so what we do now, we won't disturb your rice at all. We just close it and switch off the heat and let it cook in the residual heat. This would take around say 10 minutes without disturbing it. And so our egg pulav is ready. You could just lightly separate the grains. This is my rice separator. So without disturbing it. And here you go. Our egg pulav is ready. And there you go, your fantastic egg pulav is ready. So if you like this video, please do like and share it, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.